Turn one 15-minute audio into 30 days of viral content. But before you hit generate, you need to understand that most people aren't scaling, they're just summarizing. They are using AI as a fancy note taker, not an industrial content factory. The goal here isn't speed, it's architecture. We are building a pipeline, not running a single prompt. This 5-step content scaling engine transforms raw input into diverse, optimized outputs by assigning specific roles at each stage. Step 1. The foundation. Transcription is never the endpoint. We need more than just words, we need timestamps and speaker identification. This raw text is the primary data payload, and it carries the metadata needed for all subsequent steps. Step 2. Segmentation and idea extraction. This is where the first model prompt runs. We instruct the AI to act as a content scout and break the transcript into high-value segments. Each segment must contain a clear narrative arc, a controversial claim, or an actionable takeaway. Step 3. The deep dive. We take the segmented data and assign the AI its most critical role, the subject matter expert. Its job is not to summarize, but to challenge. It must identify the commercial angle, the contrarian viewpoint, and the underlying assumptions being made. This is the crucial stage where you move from what was said to why it matters. If your AI just restates the point, you haven't advanced. You need it to predict the audience reaction and frame the narrative for maximum impact. Step 4. Adaptation matrix. Now we branch out. We don't want one output, we need a multi-platform distribution matrix. The core idea gets mapped into 3 distinct containers, the 300-word LinkedIn thread, the 1,500-word blog outline, and the 60-second short video script. For the LinkedIn thread, the AI must adopt a provocative persona. It cannot be dry, it has to hook the reader in the first 3 lines, using strong pauses and cliffhanger to force them into the sequence. The blog outline requires a structural shift. The AI moves from a persuader to architect, mapping out introductions, 3 main body sections with sub-bullets, and a strong conclusion that drives action. Step 5. Scheduling and distribution. The final checkpoint is the publishing persona. This model's job isn't creation, it's deployment. It tailors the tone and metadata, the hashtags, the CTA, the image prompt, to match the platform's native language. If you treat AI like a magic wand that produces gold from lead, you'll always be disappointed. But if you treat it like a highly specialized, infinitely fast production crew, scaling your presence becomes inevitable. The true bottleneck isn't the AI. It's your willingness to move from prompting into architecting. Go build the machine.